वेलकम. झेडपी प्रायमरी डिजिटल उर्दू स्कूल खामगाव, तालुका शेवगाव, डिस्ट्रिक्ट अहमदनगर. Today we are learn rhyming words. Back,
back,
lack,
lack,
pack,
pack,
rack,
rack,
sack,
sack,
tack,
tack,
track,
track,
snack,
snack,
stack.
stack.
Thanks.